Alright guys, so this is a Minecraft role-playing system, MRPS. We'll be showing you the admin features of it. Ban, temp ban, unban, jail, unjail, um, that sort of thing. Kicking people, all that. Everything is permission-based. Operators automatically override everything. So, yeah, moving on. So we have regular ban like this, and that just bans somebody forever. So if I were to ban myself, it shows up this cool little message, who banned me, when I was banned, when I'm banned until, and then the reason. The banned until is not really permanent, but it's a long ass time. So as you can see, I'll get automatically unbanned by the system in 2058. That's a long ass time. So it's basically a permanent ban. So just 1 second, I'm just gonna ban myself in the console real quick. Now that I've unbanned myself in the console, I can come back in game. Alright, so similar to a regular ban, there's a /temp ban, and that allows me to temporarily ban somebody for X number of days. So I can just put 1 here for 1 day, and that just bans somebody for 1 day. I can do 0.5, ban somebody for half a day, 0.25, a quarter of a day, so, what, 6 hours? 125, that's 3 hours, or I could do like 2 days, 2.5 days. It's pretty easy to use like that. So for this case, I'm going to use 2 days, 3 days. I'm going to ban myself for 3 days. And it shows up with a similar message, except now I'm banned only for 3 days, as you can see here in the days column. And if I try to log in 3 days, it'll check that ban, and I'll be able to log in after this time. So as you can see, I try to log in before that time is up, and I'm still banned. So that's not good. So I'm just gonna unban myself the console real quick. Alright, guys, I'm back. So now that I've unbanned myself on the console, I can come back in game. The unban pretty much deletes the, it doesn't delete it from the database, but it nullifies it so somebody can log in. The bans will always stay on record, nothing ever gets deleted from the database. So you can always just have that on record. So, yeah. Alright, so similar to a ban, or to a temp ban, is /AJL, and that allows me to send somebody to like a penalty box almost for a number of minutes. For this case, I'm going to send myself to the penalty box for 5 minutes. Alright, so I do /AJL, person's name, number of minutes, and then a reason for their AJL. So that sends me to wherever the jail location is. In this case, I set it here. If I'm an admin, I can set where the AJL location is. So I have a little jail built right here. God damn it. Fucking skeletons ruining my video. Alright. So this is like my little jail spot here. So if I wanted to set that, I could do /jail spot, or /set jail spot, and that allows me to set where it is. But since I'm AJL'd, I can't use a command in AJL, so I'm just gonna unjail myself on the console real quick. Alright, so I release myself from the console, and now I can use /set jail spot. I can do /set jail spot like I just did, and that sets the place that people go where the penalty box is to right here in this little cell right here. Alright, so see now I'm released and everything. I go out and I break the rules and all. Somebody can do /AJL again on me and send me to admin jail for say 10 minutes this time. Now I'm gonna broadcast to everybody I was AJL'd, and I get let know that I was AJL'd. So now if I log off, it gives me this it'll give me this fancy little message. that tells me when I'm going to get released from jail. And it says right here that I was jailed at 7:14. I'm going to get released at 7:24, so it's a 10-minute jail. And I can either be online or offline during that time. Either one works. But when I get back from that, when that time is up, then I'll be able to like use commands and chat and leave jail whenever I want after that time is up. The whole point is to separate somebody from the rest of the server. So I'm just gonna unjail myself real quick. Alright, so I just use a /arel command, /arel, that, and that just releases somebody from admin jail. It's like a release, sort of. So there's two other commands, kick and /skick, and these also get recorded to the SQL database. /kick kicks somebody from the server and announces it to everybody. So if I wanted to kick myself for being AFK or something, I can just kick name AFK. And it lets me know at the time I was kicked, who I was kicked by, and the reason I was kicked for. So I just log that back on. And then say I don't want to announce it to everybody that the person was kicked for whatever reason. Say there's a whole lot of people that gotta get kicked for whatever reason. I don't want to annoy everybody else on the server. It's a big server. Just do /skick. /skick name, and that just tells me and nobody else. Doesn't broadcast it to the rest of the server. But you still have that regular information: the name, the person who did kick me, the time I was kicked, and the reason I was kicked for. This all gets logged to the SQL database too. Alright, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it for the admin features of MRPS. There's going to be more in the future, but this is just a basic skeleton of it right now. Thanks guys for watching, and next module, next video.